In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your fog light assembly on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located behind your front bumper. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. So you have a hand on the top. Remove your wheel. We're going to remove our bolt here. Ours is an 8mm socket. You're probably going to have something different. You're going to take this flap from this fender liner and push it up and away. Just get it out of your way, and then we're going to work on the fog light assembly. We're going to remove our bulb from the fog light assembly by twisting counterclockwise or to the left and pulling it out. Put that aside. And now we're going to use our T20 Torx bit socket, and we're going to remove those 4 bolts. There's one here, 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 and here. And our last one, make sure you have a hand on it. Once you remove that last bolt or screw, you're going to pull the fog light assembly out. To install it, you're going to put the bottom in first, where this adjuster is, like that, and push it through, and line it up. Get this bottom one started first, hold it in place. And do the other one on the diagonal. Let's snug those 2 up, and then we'll do the other 2. You're going to put your bulb back in. Make sure you line up the tabs correctly. You should have 2 big tabs and 1 small one. Ours is missing. We're going to do the best we can. Now let's put our fender liner back. Make sure you get it back where it was. Pick that up, put it over the engine splash shield, and get this all lined up. Once you're there, you can put your bolt back in. Put your wheel on. You're going to line up the hole and get your lug nut started. Now we're going to snug them up. Do not over tighten. We're going to do that in a star-like pattern. We're going to torque our wheels to 96 foot-pounds, and we're going to do that in a star-like pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.